Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share with you a healthy nachos bowl. This is an ideal meal for Friday evening. For this recipe you'll need mince, guacamole, sour cream, red cabbage, a tomato salsa with chopped tomatoes, onions and mixed peppers, chopped lettuce and grated cheese. If you want to make the original version, you can use some Doritos. Start by heating some butter or olive oil in a pot. Add your onions and mushrooms. Now you can add your mixed peppers. After browning your onions, your mushrooms and your peppers, you can add your ground beef. Now you can add your 2 cubed tomatoes. And let your meat simmer for about 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, you can season with salt. While your meat is on the stove, you can prepare the fresh ingredients. Make your guacamole, see the recipe in the description below. Cut your red cabbage, make your tomato salsa with tomatoes, onions and mixed peppers. Chop your lettuce and grate some cheese. Now you can lay your base. Option 1 is with lettuce and red cabbage. Option 2, you can use Doritos chips. Then add your tomato salsa. I add my cheese now, and then I add warm meat. And after that, I add cheese again. Finish this dish off with sour cream and guacamole. See my guacamole recipe in the link below. This meal is so filling and so healthy. It's a perfect meal to make when inviting friends over. You can pack all the ingredients on the table and everybody can choose whatever they like to put into their bowl. Enjoy!